So we're going to eat steak in Pua. Our ride for today. Thank you for taking us here. So I was told we were gonna eat, but I didn't know that we're gonna pass by a shopping center first. And who would have thought that there is a shopping center at the middle of nowhere? Bananas right here. Can I reach it? Papayas over there. Teachers over there taking photos. Let me take you for a walk going up. Swing. Oh, don't forget to notice the lanterns. There you go. These are traditional northern Thailand lanterns. Hi. Oh, there's a coffee bar. Let's see what they have. Not too bad. Hello. Looks like there's a buffet right here. Rice noodles. They said we're gonna go shopping. Shopping for what? Oh, here. Oh. Is this silk? Oh my god, I think it's silk. Looks like something is happening. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting to see this today. Sarikap. I totally wasn't expecting to see this afternoon. I thought we were just gonna go shopping, buy something. I have no idea. But I wasn't expecting I was gonna be in for a very good treat. I love places like this. Thai cup. เรียกว่าอะไรครับ Wow! Look at the details. Amazing. Oh. I'm down here. I'm talking to them. So this is the entire workshop right here. It's basically under the house. The shop is right here. I'm finally here. It's air conditioned. And there we go. Here are the products. Wow. Is that a pillowcase?
ไม่เอานางแบบด้วยเหรอ
Wow. Oh my god, this is so nice. Just look at the details. Wow. Wow, just look at the details. There we go. It's amazing. Oh, I love this one. There's a coat right here. Okay. Oh, nice. It's very traditional. Very good. Just look at that one. Oh, must be expensive. And traditional shoes as well. Just look at that. That's so cool. Very cool. Oh, very nice. Because it's not so thick. That looks like something that somebody from Dusit Thani would wear, or maybe somebody from Shangri-La in Chiang Mai. Or this would be very fit for somebody working at the front desk. Oh my god. Just look at that. Amazing. The details. Oh my. Look at this. Even makes a tiny bell sound. Can you hear it? So we're going to eat lunch, and this is how it looks like around the area. It smells like pizza in here. Here. Oh wow. Nice.
สีเหลืองเนี่ย
Hehe.
ขาเปิ้ลเนี่ยเก็บได้
Carb. Oh. That's my carbonara cooking right there. Oh, there's our pizza right there. Almost ready. If you want to see the menu, here it is. Some of them started eating already. Wow! Here's for the steak. And then here's the pizza. So my carbonara is here. Alright, so we have a bonus for today. We're gonna teach you Thai tones. Teacher Rin, how many Thai tones do we have? 5 tones, right?
Thai tone markers 5.
5 tones. So let's try all of them. Can you say all of them, teacher? Ma ma ma.
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 Ma. Oh
But
my
why
god.
You just say ma 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 ma.
The
sound,
I know.
The sound doesn't.
It doesn't change?
Doesn't
Alright.
change.
How do you say the dog?
Ma.
Ma. How about the horse?
Ma.
Ma. Ma.
เออ
Okay, okay, okay. How about come?
มา
Come.
มา
Ma. It's the same.
มา
No.
เซม not
Ma.
มา
Ma. 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 Ma.
หมา
Okay.
หมา
Okay, so let me try the dog.
dog
Ma.
yes
Ma.
that's right
Ma.
หมาเหรอเอ้ย
The horse is Ma.
no
No?
no not correct
Ma
หมา
is the dog.
หมา is the dog
Ma is come.
หมา is
Ma is come. Ma แล้ว So it's come. The horse, I can't say the horse.
หมา
Ma.
หมา
Ma.
หมา
Ma. I think I'm doing it already, but it's not. Oh my god.
หมาหมา
So that tells you basically that Thai language, Thai tone especially, is very difficult. I thought I was doing it already, but they say that I'm not. So this has been a very fun day. Earlier today we went to the factory, the actual place where they make these clothes, and now we're here where they display the clothes very close to the road so that customers will have access to them. And well, I bought 3 items. One from the factory, which is a turtleneck cotton jacket, and then I bought another one here. It's a kimono style tribal design black jacket and a very colorful bag, and I got a very big discount, so I'm really happy about that. So this is where they display their finished product. It's located somewhere else. So earlier today we actually went to where they make it, but this is located at a different area. So this one has a tribal feel to it. I think this is inspired by the hill tribe here in Nan. Avocado, I think. I guess we're done for today. It was a very happy day, very nice day. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was a very fun day. I am in Nan, Thailand. This is a very popular place for Thai tourists, especially. I don't think foreign tourists know about this area yet. So if you have the time, once we are able to go out, then please visit this place. Sharon, what is the name of the shop?
นพวัน
Nop Pawan. It is in Phu Nan, Thailand. So, yep. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.